Is cramping and spotting normal after an HSG test? If you're wondering whether cramping and spotting after an HSG test are normal, you're not alone. Many women experience these symptoms, and they are generally considered typical responses to the procedure. An HSG, or hysterosalpingogram, is a test used to check the shape of the uterus and the openness of the fallopian tubes. It involves inserting a thin tube through the cervix and injecting a special contrast dye into the uterus and tubes. This process can cause some uterine cramping similar to menstrual cramps during and shortly after the test. The cramping is usually mild to moderate and can last from a few minutes up to several hours. In some cases, it may last longer, but it generally resolves on its own without the need for medical intervention. Many women find that taking over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen before or after the procedure helps reduce discomfort. Spotting or light bleeding is also common after an HSG. This light bleeding might last for a day or two and is caused by the dye and the process of inserting the catheter. It's best to use sanitary pads rather than tampons during this time to lower the risk of infection. It's important to note that while mild cramping and spotting are normal, severe pain, heavy bleeding, fever, or symptoms that last more than a few days should prompt a visit to your healthcare provider. These could be signs of complications such as infection or other issues needing medical attention. For women with endometriosis or other pelvic conditions, the procedure might temporarily increase discomfort, but this usually subsides quickly. Overall, experiencing some cramping and spotting after an HSG is a common part of the healing process. These symptoms are typically manageable and indicate that the body is responding normally to the test. If you have concerns or your symptoms worsen, always consult your healthcare professional for personalized advice. Remember, every woman's experience can be different, and your provider can give you the best guidance based on your individual health.